Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments on this Friday, May 18th. Well, it's been somewhat of a crazy week this week as far as whippy price action. A lot of it going on headlines, both on politics and on weather. Overnight we had more politic talk coming on out with China apparently is going to announce that they're going to drop their anti-dumping probe into the imports of U.S. sorghum and put a little bit of optimism into the trade as far as maybe progress being made in these trade talks with China. Nothing with the beans, however. That kind of gave a little bit of a boost for the overnight trade. We're up roughly around 7 cents in wheat, up around 5 cents in corn. We're up around 10 cents in beans, $3 in the meal, and up around 20 points in the soybean oil. There was also another rumor going around that the Chinese denied on Friday that they were going to offer a package to slash the U.S. trade deficit by up to $200 billion. There was a rumor of that going on, which also added to the enthusiasm, but once again, the Chinese denied that. So we have this on again, off again with the politics. We break the market, the talks are going bad. We rally the market, the talks are going good. And like I said, the whippy action all week, pretty much for the week, we're up anywhere from 6 to 17 cents in the wheat classes. We're up around 4 cents in corn, unchanged in beans, up $1 in the meal, and down around 15 points in the soybean oil. So once again, not much traction. The other one has been the weather in here. Market breaks, the weather's okay, the market rallies, the weather's not good. Right now it seems like we're playing around with the weather here as far as wheat goes, both in the U.S., Australia, and Canada, reportedly. And then we're also seeing that we have one trade group that's talking about lowering the Brazilian corn crop even more than where it's currently at. And then the Buenos Aires exchange came on out and they lowered their bean crop by roughly 2 million tons from their past estimate. So once again, weather and politics has been the big trading talking points this week. Other than that, one other thing I want to point out is that with the currencies have also been somewhat of a play this week. With the currencies getting trashed in South America, that has given a great bonus to the Argentinian and Brazilian farmer to sell their corn and beans. And what that has done is that it's been at least bringing in selling pressure as far as hedges go into our marketplace, which has been absent, because what has really been controlling the markets here seemingly has been money flow, particularly for the corn, beans, and meal. So they've been getting some hedging pressure coming in on the currency talk. And then once again, after the close today, we'll be looking at that commitment of traders report. Still the same core positions in here. That being long the corn, beans, and meal, and short the wheat and the oil. So once again, rallies and breaks don't seem to have much life in them. They're short-lived. Maybe we're still going to wait for more definitive price action once we assess the U.S. crop more so down the road. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Have a good weekend.